Good morning, one and all. My name is Sai Charan from CSCC. My roll number is 5F3, and my today's topic is closure properties of context-free languages. Union. Context-free languages are closed under union. L1 is context-free, L2 is context-free. Gives rise to L1 union L2 is context-free. Example, language grammar. Language L1 is equals to a power n b power n. L2 is equals to w power n. S1 gives rise to a s1 b slash lambda. S2 gives rise to a s2 a dash b s2 b dash lambda. Union L is equals to a power n b power n union wr. S gives rise to s1 slash s2. In general, for context-free languages L1, L2 with context-free grammars G1, G2 and start variables S1, S2. The grammar of the union L1 union L2 as new start variable S and additional production S gives rise to S1 slash S2. Concatenation. Context-free languages are closed under concatenation. L1 is constant free, L2 is context free. Gives rise to L1, L2 is context free. Example, language grammar L1 a power n b power n L2 w power n. Concatenation L is equals to a power n b power n w power r. S gives rise to S1 S2. Star operation. Context free languages are closed under star operation. L is context free. You said L star is context free. Example, language grammar L is equals to a power n b power n. S is asb slash lambda. Star operation L is equals to a power n b power n whole power star. S1 gives rise to S1 slash lambda. In general, for context-free language with context-free grammar G and start variable S, the grammar of the star operation L star as new start variable S1 and additional production S1 gives rise to SS1 slash lambda. Native properties of context-free languages. Intersection. Context-free languages are not closed under intersection. L1 is context-free, L2 is context-free. Uses to L1 intersection L2. Not necessarily context-free. Example, L1 is equals to a power n b power n c power m. L2 is equals to a power n b power m c power m. Complement. Context-free languages are not closed under complement. L is context-free, L bar not necessarily context-free. Example, L1 is equals to a power n b power n c power m. L2 is equals to a power n b power m c power m. Intersection of context-free languages and regular languages. Intersection of a context-free language and a regular language is a context-free language. L1 context-free, L2 regular. Uses to L1 intersection L2 context-free. Machine M1, machine M2, machine M1 NPDA for L1 context-free, DFA for L2 regular. Construct a new NPDA machine M that accepts L1 intersection L2. M simulates in parallel M1 and M2. NPDA M1 Q1 uses to Q2, A comma B uses to C, DFA M2 P1 uses to P2 transition. NPDA M Q1 P1 A comma B uses to C Q2 comma P2. NPDA M1 Q0 DFA M2 P0 initial state NPDA M Q0 comma P0 initial state. Example L1 is equals to W1, W2 is to W1 is equals to W2, W1 A comma B star, W2 is C comma D star. NPDA M1 A comma lambda uses to 1, B comma lambda uses to 1, C comma 1 gives us to lambda, D comma 1 gives us to lambda. Regular L2 is equals to A comma C, DFA M2 A comma C. Thank you.